धीरे धीरे से तेरा होना है, होश बाकी है वो भी खोना है, तेरे खातिर खातिर मैं बनी हूँ। बट ऑफ कोर्स सलमान सर से तो अभी वो होता है ना, घर वाला कनेक्शन हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट्स अ होम शो एंड सर आपको समझा रहे हैं, कहीं पे करेक्ट भी कर रहे हैं, हंसा भी रहे हैं। सो ऑफ कोर्स सलमान सर तो लाइफ में भी बहुत स्पेशल रहेंगे। आई कम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली वेयर यू नो दे हैव डन सम अमेजिंग वर्क एंड दे आर ब्यूटिफुल पीपल पर्सनली एंड प्रोफेशनली, एंड आई वांट टू मेंटेन द सेम काइंड ऑफ dignity not only for myself but for my family in large, and I intend to do that and make them proud every single day of my life.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on Zoom channel. बारिश के साथ में हम सबको धीरे धीरे चलना चाहिए, ये मेरा मानना है। और आज मेरे साथ में दो ऐसे कलाकार हैं जो इसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। So join me as I welcome Mannara Chopra and Payal Dev on Zoom. So आपको कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि बारिश का वक्त हो या कभी कभार ऐसे भी लाइफ में एक ठहराव आना चाहिए, एक धीरापन आना चाहिए? What are your thoughts on that, Mannara?
Yes, I definitely believe कि लाइफ में एक ठहराव तो होना ही चाहिए और सब चीज़ें धीरे धीरे आराम से टाइम के साथ करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज आई थिंक जो चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी आती हैं, बहुत चीज़ें बहुत जो जल्दी ट्रेंड में आती है वो बहुत जल्दी चली भी जाती हैं। सो आई थिंक धीरे धीरे इज़ द वाइब फॉर मी।
What about you, Payal Dev? How was it composing this song, bringing a different vibe altogether? धीरे धीरे एक अल्फाज काफी यूज भी हुआ है in Bollywood songs.
This is the fact, you know, I didn't compose this song. This is actually composed by Aditya, and he made this song for me. कि I only told him कि मैं तो compose कर ही रही हूँ, but I believe when you will compose something for me, it will be really different. That's why I'm sounding different. But yeah, it was a lovely experience. Like why during singing also he was like कि चलो कुछ अलग ट्राई करते हैं, and I also said कि चलो एक बच्चे की तरह गा के देखती हूँ, अगर एक बच्चा गाता है तो कैसे गाता है, it shouldn't be sound very mature. तो I tried a different voice texture and it is actually people are appreciating it and I'm glad they liked it. And I hope आगे आने वाले time पे I'm doing more songs in a like different vibe and with some different voice textures, and I'm very excited for that.
जैसे ये सॉन्ग को भी देखा है, you know, it's very interesting. ऐसे कभी कोई रोड ट्रिप पर कभी ऐसे अनजान इंसान से आपकी मुलाकात हुई जहाँ पे you have like fallen for that person या क्रश हुआ हो टाइप्स?
Oh my God, I think the world of cinema gives you that experience and वो आपको जो भी आपके ख्वाब होते हैं वो सब पूरे कर देते हैं। So I think मेरा जो ये ख्वाब था वो पायल जी और आदित्य भाई के सॉन्ग से पूरा हो गया। So I got a lift from the best couple in the entire Mumbai or entire India, I would say, and a very handsome man, Paras, seating there, and I got to share the screen space with all four of them. तो आई थिंक अभी तक लिफ्ट वाला तो नहीं हुआ, बाकी बहुत इंसिडेंट्स हुए।
आगे हो सकता है बट
हाँ,
you never know.
You never know ऐसे सॉन्ग
क्या
क्या
और उस इंटरव्यू में मैं बोल रही हूँ जो मेरे गाने में हुआ था वो रियल लाइफ में हो गया, बट या this is what it is.
Did you feel like it was Shah Rukh Khan's DDLJ reloaded with this one, because वहाँ पर भी लिफ्ट से ही मुलाकात शुरू होती है और राज और सिमरन की मुलाकात हो जाती है?
हाँ, आई थिंक अभी धीरे धीरे का पार्ट 2 आना चाहिए और जिसमें पता चले कि स्टोरी में आगे क्या हुआ, कि हम कितना मिले कितना नहीं मिले। सो आई थिंक ये DDLJ पार्ट 2 में पता चलेगा। बट येस, इफ यू हैव कंपेयर्ड इट टू सच एन एपिक एंड अ कल्ट फिल्म, we feel very honored, and of course if Payal is attached to any project, it's always like so beautiful and so melodious, and I'm very grateful for that.
But as we also talk about the song, आपके thought process में मनारा पहले से fit थी for this song, like when you were thinking about this song, singing for it, क्या था basically वहाँ?
Actually ये song जब complete हुआ ना, so I was thinking of कि यार इसमें एक ऐसी character चाहिए ना जो बहुत चुलबुली हो, जो बहुत जो बोलते हैं ना बिल्कुल बिंदास होनी चाहिए, like it was like धीरे धीरे से तेरा। तो I was thinking because I followed her on Bigg Boss also, तो उसमें मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी। तो I told Adi कि if Mannara can do it then it will be best, she is like fitting 200% in the video, like if she say yes, so we can go ahead. So he said कि okay, and we approached her and she said yes. That it was a really happy moment, and then we shortlisted Paras also. Paras का जब आया तो then उसके बाद हम लोग as a couple देख रहे थे कि how they look, तो बहुत amazing लगा combination. Then we took Paras also, and it was really fun working with her because बहुत मज़ा आया. It was just like a holiday also. Holiday भी चल रहा है, पिकनिक भी चल रही है, शूट भी चल रहा है. इंटरप्शन भी बहुत आया था कुछ ड्यू टू सम टेक्निकल मिस्टेक्स, यू नो, शूट के बीच. तब तक हम लोग फन करते थे, मतलब. So yeah, we had lots of fun, you know.
Mannara, also as we see your work, you know, you have been a part of South movies, you have done OTT like Bigg Boss,
Yes.
you have done music now, and what's next for you, kind of, because you know you are kind of exploring different beats, you're not stuck to one. Say कि अभी एक ही reality show किया तो अभी second में भी चले जाओ, then you know just let go of, you know, other adventurous things what's coming your way. So आपका thought process क्या है? Do you want to be a multi-talented completely, like explore everywhere? Would we also get to see you singing?
So yes, as you said it correctly, that I have always been into creative arts, and this is what I intend to do for the rest of my life. So whether it's like, you know, acting in films, or it's about exploring my avenues in singing or dancing or whatever it could be. It could be, you know, something related to films or whatever it is, but it's always going to be in that scenario. So of course, and I don't like doing repetitive stuff. When Bigg Boss was offered to me, it was like a lifestyle show. तो मैंने वो किया और मुझे उसमें बहुत मज़ा आया. बट देन ऑफ कोर्स मुझे एक चीज़ से बाहर निकलने के लिए और देखने के लिए कि दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, आई नीडेड टू ट्राई डिफरेंट एवेन्यूज़. दैट्स द रीज़न आई डिडंट पिक अप अनदर रियलिटी शो, ऑल्दो देयर वर मेनी विच वर ऑफर्ड टू मी एंड आर स्टिल बीइंग ऑफर्ड टू मी. बट आई थिंक कुछ करना है तो डिफरेंट करना है, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा chaotic और जैम पैक चीज़ें नहीं करनी. And also I was just like a little taken aback with my personal space in terms of like you know, putting my thought process correct. And then I think there was something in my family also. My dad was not keeping too well, so I had to give attention to that also. And iske going forward, yes, as you said, you will see me singing. Wow. And something which I have shot internationally. And पायल जी और आदित्य भाई को मैंने सुनाया भी हुआ है.
It's amazing actually. You'll be surprised. The video is so amazing. The colors, the way she actually sang the song. I will not reveal it for sure. She will very soon, I guess.
So yeah, and
so can we hear you singing right now for your audience on Zoom?
Definitely you can hear me sing, but I just want to just make a note of it, tell you that they told me that उन्होंने मुझे बताया ये गाने के बारे में, and Mannara said yes. So you know, as an individual, as a person, how will I not say yes? You know, Payal Dev and Aditya Dev, they are one of the most esteemed and the most talented singers we have in our industry. So the minute I heard the song, it was just like a yes. There was no looking back. और जब मैंने गाना वो सुना तो वो actually मुझे लगा कि वो मेरी personality को suit करता है. And I believe in the concept of धीरे धीरे आराम से करो सब. And it just the vibe just matched, and we did the song. And of course, I think आज मैं नहीं, मेरे को मौका मिला है तो I would like to sing it with पायल.
चलो दोनों साथ में गाना गाइए.
धीरे धीरे से तेरा होना है, होश बाकी है वो भी खोना है. तेरे खातिर खातिर मैं बनी हूँ, तेरी होकर जी रही हूँ. थोड़ा मैं चलूं थोड़ा तू चले, दोनों में अभी इश्क होना है. तेरे खातिर खातिर मैं बनी हूँ, तेरी होकर जी रही हूँ.
Rest she will sing.
क्या है मेरे लिए तेरे इरादे, तू बता दे. मेरी पहले से हाँ है तेरी मर्जी, तू सुना दे. धीरे धीरे से दिल लगाना है, धीरे धीरे से तुमको पाना है. तेरे खातिर खातिर मैं बनी हूँ, तेरी होकर जी रही हूँ.
Lovely.
But as
amazing.
beautifully you have sung the song, I have to say this, you know, and you take it as a compliment and no comparisons over here. When you entered the industry, you were often compared or said as like Priyanka Chopra's sister has come to the industry. But now, ever since Bigg Boss has come into picture, you have your own identity. They don't say that, oh, she comes with that thing, you know, that comparisons or, you know, that entire clout of Priyanka Chopra is not there around. Do you feel great about it? Of course, she's your sister, you know, she has made her own, you know, mark. But right now, Mannara Chopra is known for what Mannara Chopra does.
Yes, I'm glad and I take it as a compliment when you say this, and I think you already said enough about what the whole scenario is like, and I take a lot of pride in like trying to achieve all my goals and endeavors which I have set for myself. At the same point of time, also consider the fact that I come from a family where you know, they have done some amazing work and they are beautiful people personally and professionally, and I want to maintain the same kind of dignity not only for myself but for my family in large, and I intend to do that and make them proud every single day of my life. So yeah.
And as we talk about Bigg Boss as an OTT show, or, you know, say even as a reality show, while it has a lot of, you know, controversial sides of it, do you also feel, but it's very good to be on that side, just to see the the vulnerable side of ours, just to explore what exactly you are as a human? Do you feel that such reality shows, you know, help a person groom their own personalities in a way?
I definitely feel so. I think there is no gray area there. There's everything is just very black and very white. So whatever you are as a person, it really reflects not only the way you speak, but how you feel internally. Like if I'm having a conversation with you right now, I'm not faking it, because this is also a part of my personality. I always say कि मैं जितनी देसी हूँ मैं उतनी विदेशी भी हूँ, because I like both the elements. And मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि अगर मैं पंजाब जाऊँ और मैं वहाँ पे खाट पे बैठ जाऊँ और मैं एकदम देसी लिंगो में बोलूँ, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है if I'm traveling overseas or I'm attending a meeting or something, I conduct myself in this manner. So मैं वो भी हूँ और मैं ये भी हूँ. But at the same point of time, how my relationships in the show, they have been, it is exactly the same in my real life. I am this kind of a person who gets emotionally attached to people, and I you know, just after the show, I also felt, you know, once I was out of the show, my mother said, do you remember when you were going out to play, there were so many kids who would, you know, just put you on one side and say कि हम इसके साथ नहीं रहना चाहते, because that is because they feel you know कि ये probably she's better off, so they want to cut you aside, which means that you are something. So this is what in the show also I have learned about myself, that I am something and I should not you know put myself down in the situation in front of the people who cannot even maintain their own self-respect, because your self-respect only comes with your actions and the words you choose. So I think वहाँ पे जो बहुत सारे actions थे, उनसे उन लोगों का personality समझ आया, and मैं जो हूँ, I'm still the same person, doing exactly the same thing which I was doing pre-Bigg Boss. But of course, I'm grateful to the platform with the kind of love and appreciation I have got. And because of that, when I travel across different industries. I went to Dubai, wherein I met people from different industries, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Bhojpuri, and everybody loves me so much. And today people want to talk to me, they want to listen to me, and you know, beautiful people like Payal, Aditya bhai, and you know, the whole team, they connect to me. तो एक इंसान को लाइफ में इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए होता है, because आपका फेम तो आता और जाता है, आपका पैसा आता और जाता है, but जो आपकी एक रिस्पेक्ट बनती है, बिग बॉस जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म ने मुझे वो दी है, और वो एक आइडेंटिटी दी है कि अभी लोग मुझे प्यार करते हैं, और इस चीज़ की मैं बहुत सराहना करती हूँ, and I'm always be grateful.
And now in the recent time, they have replaced Salman Khan with Anil Kapoor.
Yes.
Would you like to go back again because you have a new host altogether? Or do you miss your old host only as Salman?
So basically on the social media, a lot of people are writing to me, Mannara, हमें तो आपकी vibe missing लग रही है show में. You know, some people are like, my mother was telling me yesterday कि उनको comments आते हैं कि you know, this person is trying to behave like Mannara, but Mannara की तरह behave मत करो. I'm like, अच्छा ये भी हो रहा है, because she follows Bigg Boss. I had been like traveling. So I think, and yes, talking about Anil sir, I have huge regard and respect for him. He's such an energetic person and it brings across on the screen. और जब शो स्टार्ट हुआ था तो बिग बॉस टीम टोल्ड मी टू पोस्ट अबाउट द शो एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई डिड couple of stories for that, and the energy that man brings on the screen, it lightens it up. But of course सलमान सर से तो अभी वो होता है ना, घर वाला कनेक्शन हो जाता है, because it's a home show and सर आपको समझा रहे हैं, कहीं पे करेक्ट भी कर रहे हैं, हंसा भी रहे हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स सलमान सर तो लाइफ में भी बहुत स्पेशल रहेंगे. एंड आई कंसिडर हिम लाइक माई मदर टोल्ड हिम दैट मैंने इसको आपके अंदर ट्रेनिंग के लिए भेजा है, एंड आई ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू बी दैट ट्रेनी अंडर हिज गाइडेंस फॉर एवर.
But as you also come out of the show, you make good friends, you lose out on good friends. One such case was, and it's not a case actually at all, it's something which surprises a lot of people, is Munawar getting married suddenly and not telling his Bigg Boss friends, Do you feel that sometimes in industry, friendship is there, it's not like it doesn't exist, but sometimes it's just, acquaintances and just a relationship, for the reality show or for the promotions of something, or just for the movie, and then it just fades off? Do you feel that way?
Well, if you are saying this, that is your perception, and I think when you ask about this thing, and I would really not like to comment on it, because it is your opinion and it is what the public is feeling, and this question should be asked to the person concerned.
And moving on to this other side of it is, Mannara, you have worked in South, and we get to see a lot of, content over there. But at the same time, recently, the conversation which is up is about some behaviors taking place, in the South industry. There is one video of yours also which had gone viral when it was about actresses, the way the directors behave around them in public, Do you somewhere feel that that behavior is not something which ideally should be there in public presence, and that could lead to a lot of different thoughts of of the audience more than anything
See,
else?
so I would just like to say कि दुनिया में हर इंसान को भगवान ने बनाया है और हर इंसान अलग है. अब कोई इंसान एक रियलिटी शो में अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी खोलना चाहता है, कोई इंसान है जो एकदम बंद के रहना चाहता है, वही रियल लाइफ में जाए कोई इंसान कैसा बिहेव करेगा, कोई इंसान कैसा बिहेव करेगा, हम सबको तो देखो कंट्रोल कर नहीं सकते, पर हम अपने आप के साथ ट्रू सेल्फ में रह सकते हैं. एंड जो आप चीज़ की बात कर रहे हो, आई इवन क्लैरिफाइड वे बिफोर बिग बॉस about the whole thing, and I think you cannot control people. You just know that what you are, what your family believes, and what people around you, what they believe about you. So I just live by that thing. और बाकी तो सब अपना अपना देखो.
Have you ever come across a very crazy fan of yours ever? Because recently one of that fan, like, it was very crazy to even hear such stories, and people go to any extent when they are really in love with their stars. Have you been through that phase ever?
Actually this just happened 2 days back. मैं पटाया गई हुई थी और मैं वापस आई तो मैं ऐसे अपनी सोसाइटी में राउंड मार रही थी, तो वहाँ पे एक सर दिखे और उन सर ने बताया कि मैडम आप कहाँ थे, आप कौन से विंग में रहते हो. तो मैंने बताया, तो कहते यहाँ पे एक लड़की आई थी राजस्थान से, वो 2 दिन अंदर सोसाइटी के, बिकॉज आवर सोसाइटी इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, नोबडी कैन जस्ट एंटर विदाउट एन इंटरकॉम एवरीथिंग. कहते वो 2 दिन यहाँ बैठ के गई है, उसको ऊपर भेजा है, आपका घर में ताला था कि मुझे मनारा से मिला दो, मुझे मनारा से मिला दो. तो मतलब इतने क्रेजी फैंस. और इवन मैं जब अभी पीछे ट्रैवल भी कर रही थी, तो द काइंड ऑफ आई नेवर न्यू कि इंटरनेशनल लैंड पे भी लोग VPN से कैसे कैसे करके हमारा शो देख रहे थे. आई एम लाइक कि हम आपकी वजह से शो देख रहे थे. मैं अभी एक मॉल में भी घूम रही थी तो पूरी फैमिली आ गई. मतलब जब पूरी फैमिली आती है तो आप समझ रहे हो, कोई यंग कपल आ रहा है अलग बात है, कोई एक एज के, बट पूरी फैमिली आके आपको ऐसे से छू के मनारा ऐसे कर रही है, जैसे हाउ आई वुड जस्ट डू इट टू पायल. आई विल बी वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव ऑफ हर. आई नो दैट शी इज वेरी सिंपल एंड ऑल. तो वैसे करते हैं, तो just like that craze of fans is is beyond, and I wish मैं वो जो राजस्थान से लड़की आई थी मैं उससे मिल पाती. So yeah.
Mannara, you're very famous on social media. Like, people come and fight for you even if you get trolled. But the other side is that you also get trolled when you're sharing some thoughts, or even if a video recently, you were dancing in the rain and people just started writing different stories, and it was very hilarious to read those comments also, because how can you get about the infrastructure while you're just enjoying the rain?
How do I know?
Yeah, do you feel that with being an actress, with being a public face, you also often get into radar of people just for the negativity with what they share? What are your thoughts on that?
So even if I get trolled or something, it is not for the extreme reasons. And when some certain section of people who are very, prominent on social media, when they try to comment over me, they must check that, I would just say grapes are sour. I just want to say that, yeah.
Talking about one more comment of yours recently was about the fairness cream ad which you lost.
Yeah.
You expressed your concerns on that. But I wanted to bring this angle to you, that even Priyanka Chopra, in few of her interviews have said that she has faced harshness in the industry because of the skin tone she carries. Do you feel that sometimes there is over promotion of actresses being fair only, or should have a certain complexion to fit for a certain role? And of course, about your fairness ad, what would you like to say on that?
I just want to say, I don't think it's about the complexion, because there have been so many times, even in the South Indian industry, which I talk about, apart from Telugu, they say that, madam, we are looking like, if they look at me, they feel that you look from a very royal family and you look very niche, or maybe you can play a girl next door in North, but you cannot play a girl next door in South. Why? Because you are not, your complexion is too fair. I'm like, what is this? You just put a makeup and your complexion is fine. So I don't think a dusky girl only faces this kind of challenges. Even a fair looking girl I've lost to a lot of films just because I am not looking dusky. मैं वो लड़की नहीं लग सकती जो probably वो इतनी dusky हो जो उनकी sensibility पे girl next door लगे, या maybe Bigg Boss में जब उन्होंने मुझे देखा, मुझे girl next door देखते हैं, but उस time पे अगर मैं जाऊँ तो वो कहते हैं आप girl next door नहीं लगता, आप तो बहुत high fi लगते हो. अरे कौन सा high fi? So I think it's really to one's own, and it is you just have to deal, because every person, as I said, their mindset is different. You cannot change people, so you just have to find your way, and you find your way with a lot of hardships. It's not easy.
But don't you really feel that the perception about you has changed a lot, with what you don't look like versus now, the kind of opportunities have opened for you?
I think after Bigg Boss, I'm very grateful the kind of love and appreciation I have received, but I also know it for the fact कि अब मुझे इससे double मेहनत करनी है, and there is no denial to that. मेरे सर पे कोई fame नहीं चढ़ा, और कोई भी मुझसे मिलता है मैं उसको बहुत अच्छे से ही ट्रीट करती हूँ, चाहे दोस्त हो, चाहे दुश्मन हो, चाहे मीडिया हो, चाहे नॉन मीडिया पर्सन हो. Now for me it's everybody is the same, because मेरे goals और जो ambitions है वो मेरे और मेरी family के लिए तो same ही है ना. So yeah, I am still the same person, but I work very hard every single day of my life. My team knows it. Whether it's my my talent management agency or it's my PR agency, they know that she's on top of her game. She's very into her work, and she has no other intentions to be like known for any other controversy, and I don't like to even be attached to anything like that. जो जिसकी भी अपनी life है उसकी अपनी अपनी चले, and I keep things to myself, and I only let the work speak for my whatever success.
What is Mannara's mantra for work? Like how she keeps it going even in this chaotic world right now?
The world is chaotic, which is good. I like the fast pace of it, and I like the travel. I like the meeting around with a lot of people. I like being on different sets, and the only thing which you really ask me, which challenges me, is social media, because I feel I'm not a creator, so that kind of pressure I feel little bit, but I think I will master that also. I'm not somebody who will run around the bushes and make a reel and do some lot of latka jhatkas and something. This is something I really shy away. I'm like ये कैसे करते हैं, मतलब मैं करना चाहती हूँ, but इतना नहीं करती, because मुझे लगता है कि हर चीज़ का एक लिमिट होना चाहिए. If I'm an actor, I should be an actor. और इंसान सब कुछ तो नहीं कर सकता. But yeah, the journey is very long, and I know there's going to be a lot of highs and lows and ups and downs, and but chalte jana hai, and that is the mantra for all the girls watching out for me. And you just have to keep going towards your goals.
Lastly, before I let both of you go, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on?
I am focusing on, actually I have some films lined up and movies. Of course, it's a very important part of our thing, like to make a song according to the situation. I'm doing that and working on more independent music. Of course, I believe in more in independent music because most of the songs are independent music only, which actually people loved it. So yeah, I'm working on some more projects coming with some different songs. That's my thing. Like I have some surprise also, which I cannot reveal right now, but I think people will love it.
What about you, Mannara?
So basically, after this, simultaneously, when the song release, more of my Telugu film is getting released. तो उसका भी एक Telugu में song release हुआ है. That is with another label. ना song मतलब वो film का song है. That is there. Then I have my independent song coming up, which I shot overseas. And उसके बाद कुछ और चीजें हैं. Things will unfold when the timing is right.
You should keep a screening now of your movie.
ठीक है.
Yes, of course. Why
You
not?
must do. Yeah.
I will.
And precisely
Yeah.
now that people love South a
Yeah,
lot, like they're
of
more like
course.
hooked on to such movies.
Yeah.
So you should be surprising us with your movie.
You can watch the song online though, but although I'm playing a negative lead, so you'll see a very different Mannara there.
Oh wow.
So yeah, it's a very different
Just
story.
imagine the personality is
Yeah,
very like so
see, now.
cute and so good.
I will
and suddenly you just
definitely
see
watch
a
it.
different version altogether.
Yeah.
Yes, so you will see me getting little nasty and little massy and everything. So yeah.
But it would be lovely to see the
Yeah.
other side of you, I'm sure.
So
At
you
least
will
to the
give us
movie.
a private screening. for
ठीक है,
sure.
done.
Yeah.
100%.
That's
With wine and
definitely-
cheese.
Yeah.
That's
sure.
definitely getting locked and lovely chatting with you, Mannara and Payal.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your lovely time.